to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Halloween idea. I'm going to be showing you how to make some spooky hot dogs. I hope you like them. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. This recipe is super easy. We will just be carving the turkey franks like if they were fingers, mutilated fingers. So we will start by cutting off one of the ends of the turkey franks. And I'm just cutting a little bit, maybe like half an inch. And we want the end of the turkey frank to look like it has been mutilated. So after you cut it, try to mess it up a little bit. Just give it a kind of rough, imperfect look. You can use a knife or a toothpick to carve it. And after the end is done, now we will also add some lines along the turkey frank. If you look at your fingers, they do have a bunch of lines, different lines. So we'll try to recreate them on the turkey franks. I'm going to carve the first set of lines just an inch above the end that we just cut. And it's going to be a set of 3 lines. Like I said, you can do this with a knife or with a toothpick. And the lines don't have to be the same size and they don't have to be straight. You can just look at your fingers and try to recreate the lines that you see on them. So after you're done with the lines, now we will also add another set of lines, another 3 lines, and these lines will be about 2.5 inches from the top of the turkey frank. So just grab a knife or a toothpick and make another set of lines. I'm making 3 lines again, and then after that, now we will carve a fingernail just above the lines that you just carved. So carve the fingernail on the turkey frank, and then after that, after you draw the fingernail, now remove it. So it will look like someone just removed the whole fingernail from your finger. And again, it doesn't have to be perfectly cut out. You want it to look kind of messy and not perfect. We're going to keep on repeating these steps with all the rest of the turkey franks. So grab a turkey frank, and now we're going to cut about half an inch from the end of the turkey frank. And then after that, we're going to carve some lines along the turkey frank, so it will start resembling more of a finger. So I'm going to carve 2 sets of 3 lines, and then right after that I'm going to carve a fingernail. And then once the fingernail is done, now we're going to remove it, remove the fingernail, mess it up a little bit so it will look like it was removed really painfully. And then that's about it. Just keep on doing this until you're done. Once you're done, now we're going to heat up a little bit of oil, and we're going to cook the turkey franks on all sides for a few minutes, until they are nice and brown on all sides. And then after that you can serve them, and to serve them you're just going to add some ketchup at the end of the turkey franks just to resemble some blood, so they will be like bloody mutilated fingers instead of turkey franks. And that's about it. I hope you like this idea. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!